Is there anyone there? Hello? What is this place?
Why, hello there, Mr. Little Red Car. Can I assist you with anything?
Yes. Where am I? And what are you?
Oh, yes. You're in the future, Mr. Little Red Car. The future. The year is 3060, and I am Gambit, a car just like you.
The year 3060?
Why don't you try flying too?
Me and fly? Oh, okay. I can fly!
Of course you can, Mr. LRC.
I like being a car from 3060, and I'm a little red car.
And you could call me G. I'm sure you will like our city and all the other cars too.
There are more cars like us?
Look around you. It's really beautiful. It's wonderful, isn't it?
Wonderful? It's awesome! It almost makes me forget about the HHMT.
The HHMT? Who is that?
The HHMT is the most horrible monster truck ever. He's just pure evil, and he's out to get me. I was running away from him when I got here. What if he finds me here?
I doubt HHMT will find you here. And if he does, I'll help you.
You would? Thank you. Wow! Look at that!
Oh, that's a tree.
I love the future. Run!
He has superpowers? You didn't tell me that.
Of course he has superpowers. He's the devil.
Oh my God, run!
Wait for me, G! Wait for me! Help! Help! G! Come on! Oh!
Surprisey, stupid!
Where are we gonna go now?
Quick, let's hide back there.
Good thing you had that gun. Whoa! What is that?
Teddy, it took you the longest time to show up. All right, now get us out of here. Come on! You see this machine, LRC? It's gonna take you back home safe and sound.
But I'm not ready to go back, G.
I know. but the HHMT is going to charge into that door any minute now.
Okay.
Don't worry, you're gonna be fine. It was nice meeting you, LRC. You be safe, and remember,
Thanks for everything, G. You're a superstar. I'm really gonna miss you.
I sure am gonna miss you too.
You should come back in my time. I would love to show you around my city someday.
Sure thing.
Until we meet again, take care.
Bye, LRC.